Assalamu alaikum. Welcome, my dear student. How are you? Hope you are well. This is Muhammad Ashraful Islam, lecturer, Department of Physics, Milestone College. Today, I am here taking an online class. I hope this class will help you the better study at your home. Today, I am going to discuss the application of the vector resolution. In your previous class, you have already learned what is vector resolution. In your previous class, you have already learned what is vector resolution. When you push or pull a suitcase, in that time, if you consider the pulling or pushing force is one kind of vector, and that vector is divided into two ways. In the figure, you can see the vector divided into two ways. One is horizontal component, another is vertical component. And you have already learned the horizontal component is f cos theta and the vertical component is f sin theta. Let's see a video. In that video you can see a horse towing a boat by a rope. This is the example of the resolution of vector. Let's start with towing a boat. This is an example of the vector resolution. You did not ever see the towing of the boat, because nowadays you can see that type of boat which is running by the engine. But in past, in the village, there we can see the towing of the boat. When we apply towing of the boat, when the boat moves against the current or against the wind, in that time the boatman cannot rowing his boat in the normal process. In that time, a person pulling the boat by a rope from the bank of the river, that is called towing of the boat. This is an example of the vector resolution. Let's see the diagram. In that diagram you can see this is a river, this is the bank of the river, and that is the opposite bank of a river. Here you can see a boat, and the boat is towing by a rope. This is the rope, and the boat is pulling by a man. Suppose the man pulled by the boat F Newton force by making an angle theta with horizontal plane. And you know, when we applied force, we will get two components. One is horizontal component, another is vertical component. As this is the horizontal plane and that is the vertical plane, because the angle making with that plane, so we can say this plane is horizontal plane. And as you know, the horizontal component of the vector resolution is f cos theta, and the vertical component of the applying force will be f sin theta. Here f cos theta is responsible to move the boat in forward direction, and the vertical component f sin theta pull the boat towards the bank of the river. The boatman should taking the rudder in such a way that applied a same and opposite amount of force of the vertical component, and that force will neglect the vertical component of the applying force. Here applying force or the pulling force is F, and the making angle with horizontal plane by the rope is theta. So we can write here making angle equals to theta. And you can see here horizontal component will be effective. That is called, we can say, the horizontal component of the applying force will be the effective force, because by that force the boat move towards. So we can write here effective force that responsible to move the board forward is F cos theta, and the vertical component or the ineffective force is ineffective force, that is F sin theta. Now let's see, if the man pulls same amount of force but the boat accelerated more than the before, then what should he do? Here you can see this is the effective force, and effective force is responsible to move the boat forward. Here effective force F cos theta, just that is depends on the angle. If the value of theta is decreased, then cos theta, value of cos theta is increased, and the value of effective force is also increased. So if the person pull the boat faster than the before, then he have to make the angle less than the before. If the length of the rope is increased, that is the angle between the rope and the horizontal plane will be decreased. That is why effective force will be increased. That means by applying same amount of force, taking the angle less than the before, the person can pull the boat faster than before. Now if you consider two persons, they are pulling the boat by two rope. Here you can see the first person pulling the boat by a rope applying F1 force, and second person pulling the boat by F2 force by making an angle of theta 2. Here for first person, the effective force or the horizontal component of the applying force F1 is F1 cos theta, and the vertical component is F1 sin theta. Similarly, for second person, the applying force is F2 and the making angle is theta 2, and the horizontal component which is responsible for move the boat in forward direction is F2 cos theta, and the vertical component which will be neglected by the rudder, that is F2 sin theta 2. Now we can write here, look at the figure again. In that situation, the two person pulling the boat by two ropes by making an angle theta 1 and theta 2 by applying F1 and F2 amount of force. In that time, the speed of the boat to move forward will be increased. Suppose the first person pulling F1 force by making an angle of theta 1 to move the boat forward. In that force, we will divide into two components. The first component is horizontal component, that is F1 cos theta, which is responsible for move the boat forward, and another component is vertical component, which is F1 sin theta 1, which try to move the boat towards the bank, but the rudder neglect that vertical force and the boat does not move towards the bank of the river. So we can say F1 sin theta 1 is not effective force, it is ineffective force. Here effective force is F1 cos theta 1. Similarly, if we consider F2 is the applying force by the second person by the making angle of theta 2, then the effective force will be F2 cos theta 2, and F2 sin theta 2 is vertical component of the applying force F2. Now we can write applying force for first person. Applying force for first person making angle for first person is theta 1, and the effective force for first person, effective force for first person equals to F1 cos theta 1, F1 cos theta 1. Now in effective force for first person that will be neglected by the radar is F1 sin theta 1. Now for the second person, the applying force is F2. So we can write here applying force applying force for second person. Applying force for second person is here F2. So we can write here F2. Now making angle for second person is theta 2, and the effective force that is responsible to move the board forward by the second person is F2 cos theta 2. Effective force for second person is F2 cos theta 2, and ineffective force for second person will be F2 sin theta 2. F2 sin theta 2. So what will be the total effective force? F1 cos theta 1 plus F2 cos theta 2. So we can write here effective force, total effective force will be F1 cos theta 1, F1 cos theta 1 plus F2 cos theta 2, and the total ineffective force that neglected by the radar will be total ineffective force will be F1 sin theta 1 plus F2 sin theta 2. And the horizontal let's consider another situation. Look at the figure. In that figure you can see the two person pulling the boat from the two opposite bank of the river. Actually that situation is not occurred in reality, because if two person who are sitting to opposite bank of the river pull the boat, then another boat of the river cannot move. But in physics we can explain the towing of the boat if two persons sitting on two opposite banks of the river. Let's see here, first person F1 pulling the board by F1 force by making an angle of theta 1 with horizontal plane. Here F1 force will divide in the two way, that is horizontal component and vertical component. Horizontal component of the F1 force is F1 cos theta, which is responsible for pulling the board in forward direction, and vertical component is F1 sin theta 1. Now in case of the second person, the applying force of the second person is F2 and the making angle is theta 2, and the vertical component of the applying force F2 is F2 sin theta 2 and the horizontal component is F2 cos theta 2. Similarly, the same case will happen here, that F2 cos theta 2 is responsible to move the boat in forward direction, and F2 sin theta 2 will try to pull the boat towards the bank of the river, but the boatman maintain its rudder to oppose the vertical component of the applying force F2. Now if the vertical component of that two force F1 and F2 is equal, that means is F1 sin theta 1 and F2 sin theta 2, so there is no need to maintain the rudder of the boatman. Now if we want to calculate the total effective force, the total effective force, we can write here total effective force. The total effective force will be the addition of F1 cos theta 1 and F2 cos theta 2. So we can write here F1 cos theta 1 plus F2 cos theta 2, and the total inactive force by the two person will be, so we can write here total ineffective force. Ineffective force will be the difference of that two horizontal component, and we don't know which value is greater, so we can write here difference, that is F1 sin theta 1 difference F2 sin theta 2. So this is the process, the towing of the boat. I explain all the factors towing of the boat. When one person towing of the boat, then we can see how the vector resolution takes place here, and if two person towing the boat from the same bank, then how the vector resolution takes place here, and at last we can see if two person sitting in the opposite bank towing the boat, then how the vector resolution takes place in that situation. I hope you have understand. Let's see the another application of the vector resolution, that is lawn roller. Cricket is the most popular game in the Bangladesh. Before starting the game or after finishing an innings, you can see the lawn roller roll on the crease. In that lawn roller, the vector resolution is applied. In that video, you can see a person push a lawn roller. Again, he pull the lawn roller. It is easy to pull the lawn roller than push. Let's consider this is the ground and this is the lawn roller. C is the center of the gravity. And in case of push, suppose you apply F amount of force, and that force will divide in the two components. Suppose the force is acting with an angle of theta with horizontal plane, so we can say this is horizontal plane, and the horizontal component of the applying force will be F cos theta, and the vertical component of the applying force will be F sin theta. And similarly, weight of the lawn roller act in the downward. So we can write weight of the lawn roller is W equals to mg, which act in the same direction of the horizontal component. So that the resultant force of weight and vertical component will be the addition of the two force. That is why weight of the lawn roller is increased and the friction of the lawn roller with the ground will be increased, so it is difficult to push. Let's consider weight. W equals to mg. And the apparent weight of the lawn roller will be apparent weight of the lawn roller. Suppose the apparent weight of the lawn roller is considered W prime, which will be the addition of the weight of the body plus the vertical component of the applying force, that is F sine theta. And that is why weight of the lawn roller is increased and friction with the ground will be increased. That is why it is difficult to push. In case of pull, suppose this is a lawn roller and lawn roller is pulled by F amount of force by making an angle theta with horizontal plane. So it have two component. One is horizontal component. The horizontal component will be F cos theta and the vertical component will be F sine theta. F sine theta. And weight of the body acts downward, that is W equals to mg. This is the real weight of the body. And here you can see weight and the vertical component of the applying force is opposite to each other. So its resultant will be the subtraction of the weight and the vertical component of the applying force. That is why apparent weight of the lawn roller will be decreased and the friction of the lawn roller with the road will be decreased and it is easy to pull the lawn roller. So we can write here weight and the apparent weight of the lawn roller is apparent weight. Let's consider the apparent weight of the lawn roller in case of pull is W double prime and it will be the addition of the weight as F sine theta, that is the vertical component of the applying force F. So you can see here the apparent weight of the lawn roller is decreased. As the apparent weight of the lawn roller is decreased, so we can say it is easy to pull a lawn roller rather than the push. Hope you have understand. That's all for today. Practice that I discussed in my class, and if you feel any problem, contact your subject teacher. Thank you for being with me. Stay safe, stay home.